Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about outer joins and its type, left outer join. What is outer join? What is the definition of outer join? The outer joins include all the tuples from the participating relations in the resulting relation. An inner join includes only those tuples with matching attributes and the rest are not included in the resulting relation. We need to use outer joins to include all the tuples from the participating relations in the resulting relation. There are three types of outer joins are left outer join, right outer join and full outer join. So the first one is left outer join. The definition of left outer join is the left outer join is a join in which tuples from R, which is the left side table or relation, that do not have matching values in the common attributes of S, which is the right relation, right side table, are also included in the result relation. Missing values in the second relation are set to null. All the tuples from the left relation, which is represented with R, left relation tuples are included in the resulting relation. If there are tuples in R without any matching tuples in the right relation S, then the tuples in S will be null. So look at the Venn diagram. R is complete and the S is not complete, because if there is no matching with S, so S said to be null and the R included all the tuples in it. So here is the example: student body sample result. So student is the left table and result is the right table, which is result is the S relation and student is the R relation. Here is the sample, body sample, with left side is open and different from right side. So tuples from student table are all included in result table, which is in black color, and marks of student Shujat is null because it is not in result table. So all the records in student table, which is the left side table, are included in the result table, and corresponding to the result where marks is equal to null and student ID is equal to 3. Now we are going toward implementation. Open XAMPP server, go to PHP MyAdmin for implementation. Open test data database, and here is the result table. Open student table and insert another record, which is, look at the structure, is the primary key auto increment and name is Shujat with the city Multan. Insert the record and select the database, select ID, name, marks from student table, left join, result on result dot id is equal to student dot id and mention the student table because id is ambiguous, and execute the query. So according to our example, the result is here and same result. Records from student table, all records are selected, and here marks of Shujat, which is not in result table, so here is the null result. So this is all about left join. Left side table is selected with all the records, but right side table is selected with null value because Shujat's record is not available in result table. So thank you for watching this video.